This is V. Deepika, working as an assistant professor from KG Reddy College of Engineering. Okay. Now, in the last class we have discussed about the stabilization against variations in ICE naught, beta and VBE. Now, let us continue the topic. Okay. Now, as that the operating point could be made stable by using the two techniques which are nothing but stabilization technique and the compensation techniques. Okay. Stabilization techniques and the compensation techniques. Okay, these are the two techniques where we can make the transistors to be independent of the temperature variations, so that the operating point could be plotted at the middle of your active region. Okay, now first coming to your stabilization techniques. In the case of the stabilization techniques, these techniques use the resistive biasing circuit. Okay, so that by using the resistive biasing circuit, the base current could be varied, so that instead of varying the collecting current, by making the collector current IC to be made constant, and that could be made feedback to your base current. The base current would be made varying by fixing the collector current to be constant. So, that is about your stabilization techniques. And coming to your compensation techniques. Compensation techniques uses the temperature sensitive devices such as diodes and the thermistors. Okay. So, these are the two techniques. Now, coming to your stability factor. Okay. Now, first let us discuss about your stabilization techniques. Okay. Now, what is meant by stability factor? In the previous topic I have discussed that stability factor indicates the degree of change of the operating point. Is it right? So, that is nothing but your stability factors. So, there are now stabilization techniques. Now, I had said that stabilization has been varied according to three transistor parameters, which are nothing but IC naught, beta and VBE. So, to use these three transistor parameters, if the temperature varies, these three transistor parameters varies and shifts the operating point either to saturation or cut off by varying the collector current. Is it right? So, now in that stabilization techniques, okay, we will discuss about the three stability factors. Okay, by varying means what? We are varying with respect to this three IC naught, beta and VBE. Okay. Now, let us discuss about your stability factors. Okay. Now, there are three stability factors which are nothing but S, S dash and S double dash. Okay, where S is nothing but change in the base current, collector current, okay, by making the variation with respect to your input IC naught, okay, by making the VBE and beta to be kept constant. Means what? By making the two transistor currents to be kept constant, and by varying this one, we will get your stability factors. And whereas S dash is nothing but dou IC by dou VBE. Now, take the second one. Okay, VBE, change in VBE by making IC naught and beta to be kept constant. Okay, the third one, stability factor, is nothing but dou IC is nothing but dou, by making the other one beta, by making the which one to be kept constant now? VBE and IC naught to be made kept constant. Okay. Now, we will see these three stability factors. Okay. Now, how can we achieve? What are the three stability factors? We will see, okay, in detail. Okay. Now, first let us discuss about the stability factor S. Okay. Now, we know that equation that IC equals to collector current is being given by IC equals to beta IB plus 1 plus beta IB IC B naught. Okay. We have explained this one in clear detail in previous one only. So, now IC equals to beta IB plus 1 plus beta IC B naught. Okay. Now, let us discuss now here If there is a change in the collector current, there will be a change in the base current and there will be a change in the ICB naught. So, dou IC by dou IC naught, that equals to beta IB by IC naught plus 1 plus beta ICB naught, change in this one, okay, dou IC naught. Okay. Now, sorry, once a minute, sir, తీసేయండి, ఒక్క నిమిషం తీసేయండి.